the mirror, I don't know when he broke it, he might have hit this, but this is a little loose now.
Okay.
So,
Yeah, we'll take care of it.
Change it too. Oh my gosh, look at that.
Jess is about to join.
Don't focus on my pimples. Good morning, everyone! Pupunta kami ngayon sa... What is that place?
We're going to the collision center.
Yeah, we're going to collision center. Idadrop namin yung sasakyan na binasag ni Kuya mo. Sasakyan na binasag niya, no, yung salamin at ano na. Hi, Kinsley! Aayusin nila. So, papahiramin nila kami ng temporary na sasakyan. Pupunta kami ngayong umaga. Tapos, idadrop namin yung CRV. And, update pala kay Kuya, natatrack ko pa rin siya, no? Pero, kung saan-saan siya napunta talaga. Pero sabi ng pulis sa amin, wag na daw kaming pumunta dun sa lugar niya kasi hindi natin alam, hindi natin kilala kung sino yung lalaki, diba? Malay mo, may mga kasama pa to. Pag nakita daw ako, lalo't alam yung information ko, ganon. Sabi ng pulis, mas maigi ng wag na lang daw. Sabi, etas sila na lang atan mag-iimbestiga. Bahala na sila. Basta at least na ang nai-report namin, okay na sa akin yun. Nai-report namin na nawala yung gamit ko, yung ID ko. Tapos, yun. At saka meron akong case number sa police. So, in case man na gamitin niya yung personal identity ko or whatever. Pero na ano na rin namin ni Travis, meron kaming ginawa sa online na kung gamitin niya yung name ko or whatsoever. Pero mahirap atang gawin yun, no? Pero syempre, hindi natin kilala si Guy, diba? So, ayun. Medyo naging, okay na ako. Syempre, kahapon talaga kinakabahan ako, no? Kasi nga, parang fresh pa talaga sa akin and hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari, diba? Tapos, nag-off lang ako ng maaga. Umalis ako ng maaga sa work kahapon kasi nga panitawag din yung police and nag-update din kami kasi ako nakakatrack ng AirPods ko. Dala-dala niya talaga mga besh. Hindi ko alam kung anong ginagawa niya doon. So, pag nalobat yun, ewan ko kung matatrack ko pa siya kasi nga yung left earbud is palobat na. Nandito sa akin yung right earbud. So, eto. Nandito sa akin. Tapos yung case nasa kanya. Pati yung gamit ko. May napkin pa nga kung dun eh. Tapos lip balm or whatever. Buti na lang hindi ko nailagay yung mga key ko doon. Ang lahat ng key ko nasa bag ni Travis. Kasi kailangan mong sa gate, kailangan mong doon sa gym ng One Life Fitness, kailangan mong i-scan yung yung tag nito. Yung parang yung barcode mo, no? Tapos, ayun, nilagay ko sa bag niya. Ngayon, lesson learned and sa mga babae na, sa mga Pilipina din na mahilig maglagay ng gamit niya, huwag tayong maging masyadong komportable, no? Sobrang laki ng lesson to para sa akin. Kasi, kung hindi to mangyayari sa akin, sa totoo lang, gagawin ko pa rin talaga, Tapos may mga Pilipina na nag-chat sa akin, kumusta na, okay ba? Thank you sa mga concern niyo po. And may mga Pilipina din na nagsasabi, buti napanood ko yung vlog mo kasi ganun din ang ginagawa ko. And masyado din kasi sila talaga naging kampante kasi nga yung lugar namin, yung feeling ko wala naman siyang masyadong mga ganon. Pero sabi nila, kahit saan ka pumunta, merong mga ganon. Yung sabi ni Travis, kaya wag ka masyadong careful ka lang talaga. And lalo na pag wala daw siya, gano'n, anong mangyayari, diba? Kaya, nag-worry talaga siya yesterday talaga. Gusto niya talagang puntahan yung bahay ng lalaki, kaso sinabihan siya ng pulis, wag na. Kasi nga, delikado din, kahit nandun ang pulis. Paano pag makita kami, makita yung sinasakyan namin, mga gano'n, makita itsura namin, diba? Yun. So, yun lang, guys. Samahan nyo kami for today's video. Pupunta tayo doon sa, hindi ko alam kung saan lugar yun, pero idadrive ko pa uwi yung ibibigay nilang vehicle na pang temporary na gagamitin ko. So, see ya! Hi, Kinsley! Say hi! Look at her face. Hi! Hi, Kinsley! You look so big, but you're not that big. You're not that heavy. Yeah, she looks big because of her fluffy hair. Night, Kinsley. medyo messy ang bahay kay si Kinsley, masyadong malikot this morning kasi hindi namin siya katabi matulog last night. So, we'll see you later! By the way, yung AirPods ko nga pala, na-refund. How much they gave us for the refund, babe?
$250.
$250. So, I think it's better if you have AirTag or AirPods in your bag.
AirPod Pro?
Kapag ka kasi nawala yung bag mo, matatrack mo kung sino yung kumuha, kung nasan yung kumuha. Kasi syempre, feeling ko hindi naman nila itatapon agad yun. Minsan kasi may iba na hindi nila alam. Hindi nila alam na matatrack mo sila, ganun. So, kaya natatrack ko si Kuya dahil nga sa AirPods Pro ko and gusto pa rin ni Travis akong bilhan noon, no? Just in case. Pero sana hindi na talaga mangyari sa amin yun, ano? And magdodoble ingat na talaga ako. Pero mas maigi na rin merong ganun, no? And matatrack din ang asawa ko kasi kapag naka-pair, ano kayo, ganun. So, ayun, update lang. And for the meantime, ang gagamitin ko muna yung dati niyang yung Bose. Kasi in-order pa namin siya and parating pa lang yung bago kong AirPods. So, pupunta na kami ngayon sa, doon nga, idadrop na namin si CRB. Alis na kami. Kawawa naman yung CRB. Dito ako sa likod. Uupo. I asked my husband if we can clean it. He said, no, it's fine. They're gonna clean it. Why we can't clean it, babe?
Because the insurance, if there's damage to the seats,
Change it too?
figure it out, yeah.
Oh my gosh, look at that. Grabe. Oh no, what if there's some glass inside of the AC?
Yeah, we have to fix everything. It's not on our bill, it's theirs.
Oh my gosh. Dito nakalagay yung bag ko noon. Kahapon. Madaling araw. Diyan nakalagay yon. Kaya siguro nakita niya agad. I know, it's my fault. Lagi ko sinisisi sarili ko. Di ako nilagay yung bag. Tapos nakuha niya agad. Dapat pala nilagay ko dito sa loob. Kasi ano yun eh.
She's like, what the fuck happened to you guys?
Right, I know. So, punta na tayo. What did you say to the insurance? What?
That the collision center needs to figure out like if there's any more damage or anything they need to.
Oh, so they're gonna fix everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
Kind of hard for me to see. But
Yeah. Hindi ko alam. I don't know what he used.
Probably a rock.
To smash it.
He had to hit it pretty hard to break the whole window.
Yeah, because this is like, it's not thin.
I'm hoping that our
Hmm?
it should be all right.
What is? Oh yeah, I hope so. I hope na nakakahiya tuloy mag-drive ng ganito. Makikita na yung sasakyan. Wala nangyari, te. Siguro iniisip nila na nabunggo kami. Pero okay na okay yung labas talaga. Yung salamin lang talaga yung binasag niya. Diba? Buti na lang talaga. Salamin lang yung na-damage. Yun lang din kagandahan dito pag may insurance din. Tsaka pag reliable talaga yung insurance company nyo. Ganun.
Yeah, we use USAA.
Yeah, we use USAA. And they're very responsive. Right?
Yes. Always from. I've never had an issue.
Ayan. Pakita ko sa inyo yung itsura talaga. O, diba? Ayan yung binabasag na salamin. Nandun pa yung iba sa ilalim. Nandito na kami. Magpapaalam muna kami kay baby CRB. Ang daming sasakyan ng mga sira-sira dito na kailangan ata nila ayusin. Tingnan mo, babe. They also put their diba?
We are. They should be meeting us here at 8:30.
May pa coffee.
A few moments later.
The mirror, I don't know when he broke it, he might have hit this, but this is a little loose now.
Okay.
Too. So,
Yeah, we'll take care of that.
Yeah.
if you want to, if you go around the driver's side, you can see the glass. No, we don't. You need anything in here?
No, I don't need anything.
The only thing is the adjuster just told me if you guys find any damages like on the seat from the glass, they're gonna cover everything. But
Everything should be taken care of.
it was mainly the window. He stole something off of the center console,
Yeah.
and then so window and mirror is what I just noticed the mirror when I was around there.
Okay.
But yeah, mainly just the window.
Sounds good. Yeah, I'll go ahead and take care of that. I'm gonna be bringing the vehicle in and checking it. I'm gonna give it to a technician when I get a chance. So if we find anything additional when it comes to material of the vehicle, when it comes to the seats or anything like that,
Okay. Great.
But besides that, should be pretty simple. Hopefully, I can get the window in once I'm ready. Back here.
Our poor baby.
So yeah, we're good now. We got him for a couple of days. So
Ang galing, ang bait nila dito. USAA Stars Facility. Nandito kami ngayon sa Caliber Collision. Mabait yung mga staff. So, sabi nila, ayusin daw nila yung sira. Kung meron pang ibang mga sira. Like, kung yung seat cover ba na damage din. Or yung salamin medyo maluwang. With the mirror, no?
Yeah.
Na-notice namin na medyo loose yung mirror. So, sabi nila, ayusin din nila. And cover din naman daw ng insurance namin. So, nag-aantay lang kami sa guy na... Who is that guy? He's gonna drop the car?
From Enterprise? Just someone who works at Enterprise.
Okay. So, we'll see you. Guys, nasa na naman kami. Where are we, babe? Enterprise. Kukunin namin yung sasakyan. Guys, ito na yung pinairam nila sa aming sasakyan. And ida-drive ni Travis ngayon. And ito yung gagamitin ko papuntang work. Sabi ko sa kanya, maglakad na lang ako. Laki-laki niya. Pang family bunch. Right? This is like a family van.
This is not. This is a V8 Durango.
Really?
Yeah.
Ayan yung itsura niya, oh. Diba? So, yan, makikita niya. Malinis siya. I think they clean it.
Yeah, they cleaned it.
Dito kami sa Enterprise Rent-A-Car. So, ito yung parang company na pag may mga kailangan ng car or gusto nilang mag-rent, pag may mga nagbisita dito, tapos need nila ng car, dyan sila pupunta para mag-renta. Pauwi na kami, guys. Ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Balitaan namin kaya ano nangyari sa CRV namin pag nakuha na namin. Ano?
Everybody,
What?
Jess is about to drive.
Don't focus that on my pimples.
I'm trying to zoom it out. There. How do I zoom out?
This is so big.
Why is this zoomed? Why won't this zoom out?
This is higher. Oh, I have to go here.
You need to come out and take a right. Are we gonna put this as a short, babe?
I don't know.
Yep, you're good. Okay, or wait.
I'll wait. Gosh.
Yep, just drive it as if it's yours. Ooh. Remember, you can turn right on red if there's...
I know. The brake of this car is like
It's a little more...
responsive, yeah. I get a text message, babe.
I know.
It says we sent the debit card. What is that?
Just pay attention to the road, babe. It's fine. Pretty nice. I like... This is a Durango, so this is pretty nice.
Yeah.
Whee!